thank you. First off, I know we didn't do an intro. My name is Brian. I'm the owner of WeBreak Hip-Hop Dance Company. We're a mobile hip-hop. Yeah, y'all can clap, please. Please, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. When you get encouragement, sometimes you gotta ask, you know what I mean? Be like, hey, you clapping? Yeah. All right. We're a mobile hip-hop dance company, teaching all the way from North Los Angeles, all the way to Costa Mesa and Newport Beach. We have some great performers here. They're doing an awesome job. We have over 70 performers that will be performing for you guys today, all across Southern California. We're super excited. Every year, or not every year, every recital, we take some time to acknowledge some of our outstanding students. Right? All of our students are outstanding. We love them. We have our instructors pick 2 students. Oh, where's Alex Hawk? Okay. Well, Alex H.O.K. With the Rambo. Let's go. All right, we acknowledge 2 students that have really shown a lot of grit, determination, things of that nature, and we're going to lead them off here, all right? I'll start off with the 2 that I selected here. All right, first one is Andrew Aguilar from the hip-hop all-styles class. Go ahead and come up. All right, so this Andrew is his second recital. I gave him Outstanding Student Award because there was 2 other people that were in a class. They dropped. And Andrew was like, I'm still wanting to recital. I still want to perform. So he's going to be performing for you guys later. He performed by himself last time as well. So round of applause. Really challenging his hard work he's put in. So awesome job. Really on fire. All right. Second one goes to Kai Yamamoto from the Tuesday Lakewood beginners class. So we have beginners, we have intermediate, we have advanced. Kai is beginner. He started off the session. He was like, I want to be intermediate. I was like, bro, you're not ready. You got to put in some work. And this dude came to open session like every time, battling intermediates and advanced. He just came every time and just put in the work. And so now he's going to be intermediate. So high five to you, man. Awesome job for the work. Kai Yamamoto, pass it over to Urban.
Awesome. So this is actually super hard for me to like choose, and that's a good thing. That's a good problem to have, to like think about, oh man, like which is my outstanding student, because I wish I could just give it to the whole class, you know? But unfortunately it doesn't work that way. I think my whole class, like all the students that I've taught, so if I've been your teacher, out there in the crowd, if Mr. Urban was your teacher, I wish I could give this to everyone, but all of you are very, very, very talented. I just want you to I want to let everyone know that. Yeah, give yourself a round of applause. Awesome, so for my beginner 9 class, the student put in so much work. Yeah, comes into open session and I've worked with him closely. So I present this award to Josh Vega. Okay, you boys here. Josh Vega. Yeah, come up. Over there, yeah. Has done a phenomenal job, and his footwork especially is someone that I really admire, because he puts in all the work to make sure that all his steps are clean. So I like the detail with this guy. Congratulations. For my next award, I'm going to give it to a student who has shown me enormous hard work, but also respect. And I think that's something very, very hard for us to teach sometimes, is when we're teaching dance, sometimes we get caught up in teaching just the dance moves, but it's more than just that. Yeah, we're teaching students to become great human beings, great people, be responsible, and also be respectful to their elders and to everyone that has taught them. So this person has shown me respect. Every single time we end class, he always says, "Thank you, Mr. Irvin," and he means that. So I want to give this award to Jordan Lim. Hand the mic over to Chris, aka Kippy.
What's up, guys? My name is Chris. I'm one of the instructors, area coordinators, and this award goes to someone in my North LA beginner class. His name is Sam. This kid literally just started breaking, and we actually went to a battle recently, and he made it all the way to the semifinals. So this guy has really good work ethic, has a bright future. You know what I'm saying? This is for you, bro. All right. Next up, this person I admire so much for the courage to be able to learn a new craft, being able to perform in front of, I don't know, hundreds of people right here. This is pretty crazy. She's super bubbly. Her personality comes out every single day, and I'm just super grateful for her to be able to take this class and continue on. Her name is Claire Iglesias. Let's go. Yeah, that's you. Come on. She's like, me? Really? Make some noise, y'all. You girls representing right here for the future. All right. Now up next we have Mr. Alex.
This goes out to Tobin Zinn. This student has made a great improvement in his confidence. The first few days, he wasn't, what's the word? He wasn't the most confident coming into the class. He was almost on the brink of quitting in general. I remember that talk. But then, he just kept coming to class, and he kept putting in work, and now he's performing by himself today. Goes to someone from my placentia class. He's taken great initiative these past few days. He's even taken charge as to counting everybody in. This goes out to Nathaniel Makalala. There it is. All right.
Alright, give it up for all of our WeBreak outstanding students for our spring 2019 session. Alright, awesome job. Guys, this is kind of like, for those of you who've been with us a while, this is like a lifetime achievement award, right? You kind of win one time. We try to every session select different people and things like that. So these are the students we selected. One round of applause. Great job, you guys. Let's keep putting it